Hello. In this lesson, we will learn how to cut, copy, paste. It is the essence of using computers and software. You have to know this, and there are also three ways to do it. Okay, so first of all, I will go ahead and expand my ribbons so you can see all the details. And right up here, we have a clipboard section. On that section is a paste button, a cut, and copy. Those are grayed out because I have not selected anything. Please keep in mind the computer only works with what you tell it to do. At this point, I have not selected anything. I have a flashing insertion point. That's all. So we are gonna go ahead and I'm going to click on second paragraph. So now keep your eye on these two buttons, the little scissors, the copy, the cut and the copy. Now when I select the paragraph 1 to 3, triple click will select the paragraph. Look what happens, they lit up, cut, copy. Now there is another way to do this. I have already selected the paragraph. Now when I right click, I have cut, copy and paste. When I float my mouse on cut, it says Control X. When I float my mouse on copy, it says Control C. And if I float my mouse on paste, it says Control V. The rationale for those is if you will find those letters on your keyboard, the X, the C, and the V. Look at them on your keyboard, they happen to be just a pinky reach away from the control key. And that's why it's so convenient to use those. It is your personal preference. I will never make you use anything I use. I just want to let you know there are three ways and you will choose which way you like the best. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First of all, in order to quickly see that we are making progress, we are going to color the paragraph red. So when I triple click the second paragraph, 1 to 3, so I have my menu bar right here with a little A here. So I click on that and now my font is red. Now when I click off it, of course I lose my cut copy ability. So I will triple click again, 1 to 3, and now I will go ahead and we are going to copy that. When I copy that, it's up to you. You can use the copy button, the Control C, or you can right click and copy your content. Nothing happens on your screen, but it is sitting on a little imaginary clipper off to the side, and it's confusing because people think we will nothing happen, will actually guess it. They took a photo copy of it. I'm gonna scroll down here below the line and I'm going to paste. Now, when you float through your paste options, now remember that was on a right click paste options. When you flow through them, it's actually gonna show you what's gonna happen with when you choose. So I have paste the red one, paste and merge the formatting will turn my formatting black. Or just paste and text, which means no formatting comes at all, just plain text. I'm just gonna use that first one so it says red. There we go. All right, let's do the next one. We are gonna color the third paragraph. W- So I have 1 to 3 paragraphs, 1 to 3, triple click that one. Instead of red, I'm going to choose a blue font. Now I'm going to cut this. I can use Control X or I can right click cut. Cut and click down below all the paragraph and now paste it. There we go. So now when you cut, it actually did leave the screen and we paste it, it reappears. Okay, the last thing I want to do, I do have instructions right down here. I want to copy the first paragraph and then I don't want to change the color at all. I'm going to place it below the third paragraph. So we are going to end up with two of the very first black paragraphs. So 1 to 3, we are going to copy it. Control C or right click as per your own convenience. The button's up on top and I'm gonna place it below the third paragraph. There we go. Practice this couple of different times. You need to be good at cut copy pasting in order to be good at software. Thank you.